welcome to our history class. From last videos we starting the lesson number 4 Maharashtra before the times of Shivaji Maharaj. In last video we complete 3 Sant Namdev, Sant Dhaneshwar, Sant Eknath. Now here let us start the next Sant Tukaram. Belong to Dehu near Pune. Sant Tukaram belong to Dehu near Pune. His composition or abhangs are very pleasing and lucid, reaching the greatest poetic heights. His Gatha is precious treasure of the Marathi language. He asks us to find God by showing love to unhappy and tormented in the following lines. जे का रंजले गांजले त्यासी म्हणे जो आपुले तोची साधू ओळखावा देव तेथेची जाणावा. Sant Tukaram asks us to find God by showing love the unhappy. Unhappy means sad and tormented in the following lines. जे का रंजले गांजले त्यासी म्हणे जो आपुले तोची साधू ओळखावा देव तेथेची जाणावा. With this viewpoint he threw in the river Indrayani. With this point he threw in the river Indrayani he documents of the loans that people had borrowed from his and freed many poor families from the bonds of loan. He criticized the hypocrisy and superstition in the society in very strong terms. Superstitions in the society in very strong terms. He stressed the devotion, bhakti, should be coupled with morality. His teaching can be summed up as जोडोनिया धन उत्तम व्यवहारे उदास विचारे वेचकरी. His teaching can be summed up as जोडोनिया धन उत्तम व्यवहारे उदास विचार वेचकरी. Some dogmatic people opposed the social awakening that he had undertaken and sung his abhangas in the Indrayani. Sant Tukaram faced the opposition with noble courage. Sant Tukaram's disciples and associates were different castes and creeds. They include Nauji Mali, Governor Seth Wani, Santaji, Jagnade, Shiva, Kasar, Bainabai, Sivkar and Mahajipan Kulkarni. An important task completed by Gangaram Pant Mawad and Santaji Jagnade was writing down the abhangas of Sant Tukaram. Then work of sants. Our next point is work of Sant. Sant gave the message of equality to people. You know students, Sant gives good messages to us. Sant gave the message of equality to people. They taught humanity. Sant taught us humanity. They preached that people should live together in harmony, unity and love. Their work resulted in the social awakening. They taught how to live in the face of foreign invasions, drought-like situation of any other natural calamities. Their teaching proved to be a big support for people. Their teaching proved to be the big support for people. Their work created self-confidence among the people of Maharashtra. There was a deterioration of ethics and religion in society. At such time, the Sant came forward to protect the society. When there was a deterioration of ethics and religion in society. Circumstances is very different of ethics and religion in society. At such time, the sons came forward to protect the society. In these circumstances, the Sant came forward to protect the society. They taught the true meaning of religion. They taught us true meaning of religion. They showed the path of devotion by living amongst people and sharing their joys and sorrows. Some orthodox and dogmatic people opposed them, but the Sant believed that facing this opposition was a part of their duty. Sant Tukaram has explained the mark of true Sant in these words. तुका म्हणे तोची संत सोशी जगाचे आघात. Very beautiful line. तुका म्हणे तोची संत सोशी जगाचे आघात. Here complete our work of Sant. The Sant elucidated the complex dharma of scholars, Shastris and Pandits. In the language of people, they prayed to God using simple everyday terms. They took the view that all are equal before God. They taught society to do away with the pride arising out of caste and varna, to see everywhere of God's children. A characteristic of the Sant was that they did not forget their duties on the path of devotion. Every Sant was that they did not forget their duties on the path of devotion. They found God in their work. They found God in their work. Sant Savta said, Kanda mula bhaji yogi mithai maji. This statement refers to farm work but applies to work in all walk of life. The son carried on with their duties even as they were engaged in devotion, teaching and composition. Verse. They developed the moral sensibility of the society. Here complete our Sant Namdev, Jnaneshwar, Sant Eknath, Sant Tukaram and work of Sant.